Hi and welcome. In today's video, I will be tidying the dining room, the family room, and the kitchen. I'll also be updating some of my fall decor in the kitchen. This is a tidying video. It is not a get it all done. It is not a deep cleaning. It's just a realistic after work, after dinner cleaning video. If this is something that interests you, please stick around and watch the process and result. Having said that, let's get this done. I will be starting here in the dining room because really it's a low-hanging fruit. It's an area that stays pretty clean. It just needs a quick wipe down, and after that I can move on to the next room.
I'll give you all of me, my lungs, my air to breathe.
As I mentioned before, because this room is fairly clean, I will not be doing a lot of deep cleaning. In fact, I'm going to skip mopping the floor on this day. I have moved on to the family room. This is also another space that is really low-hanging fruit. It doesn't get pretty messed up. I just have to straighten up the piano with a bunch of papers and then fold these blankets, fluff some pillows, and then wipe down a table and clean the floor. If you are enjoying this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel in the background. Let me take this moment to make a proper introduction. Hi, I'm T, a married mom of 5 for our young adults who are not in the home anymore, and we're still raising our 9-year-old who is halfway to adulthood. On this channel, you will see cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeovers. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, click the notification bell. Also, if you are a subscriber or a returning viewer, I'd like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know. On that note, I'd also like to thank 2 subscribers, Darnell P and Donzel C. I'd like to thank you so much for your weekly check-ins, your constant interaction. It is appreciated, and I am so glad that you're helping to build a community here. And just like that, I've already cleaned 2 of the 3 rooms I'm going to be working on today. So as you can see, I'm here in the kitchen. I need to declutter the island, but I'm also going to be taking care of some dishes really quickly, and then I'll be moving on to some more fall decor.
So come
If you've ever seen a cleaning video in which I'm working in the kitchen, you know that I always start with the dishes. So here I am unloading the full dishwasher, and then I'll be moving on to washing the dishes that are in the sink and on top of the stove, and then reloading the dishwasher. I want to give you a bit of advice if you get stressed out about your house not being as clean as you want it to be. You don't have to do what you see people doing on YouTube. You can just do whatever it is that you're able to do. If you have 15 minutes to clean a space in your home, if you only have 5 minutes to wipe down a surface, whatever it is that you can do is worth the effort. Don't feel like you have to do what you see other people doing.
We want the same thing. I know what you want, babe. We want the same thing. Scared to love, but we couldn't help. Scared to love, but we couldn't help falling, 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 falling. Don't we know it's alright? Don't we know it's okay? Don't we know it's alright? We keep falling anyway. Don't we know it's alright? Don't we know it's okay? Don't we know it's alright? We keep falling anyway. We've been looking in each other's eyes. It's been a long time trying to get it right. Is there anything left there for you? Now I know you don't wanna lie, so save it for another time. 'Cause 100 more tries will make it true. Yeah, I know you, baby. Yeah, I know we both have much more to give. And when you meet someone else, and if they mean that much, I hope you follow. Hope you follow them. When you miss the touch, yeah, I hope you say as much and never falter, never fall away. 'Cause when you love someone that you love so much, don't ever let your heart break. Don't ever let your heart break again. When you meet someone else, and if they mean that much, I hope you follow. Hope you follow. I got you in my sight.
The dining room buffet is where I keep our seasonal dishes. We've been using them a lot lately because we're enjoying a lot of time outside. The weather's been perfect. The screens for our deck have finally been installed, so we're sitting out there enjoying regular dinner. I had breakfast out there, lunch, dinner, and even special celebrations. In fact, we just had one about a week ago, and that's when we used the dishes right there.
You want me on, you pull you to the floor. My sweat dripping out. Dirty mind.
Hey you, since you're still here, clearly enjoying this video, why don't you share it so that your friends and family won't have FOMO? Go ahead, click the share button right now. I dare you.
I've got you in my sights now. So close, but I can't touch you. Maybe we should just pretend this dream will never end. Oh, babe, you are my forever dream. Forever and we
So about 4 or 5 weeks ago, I did my first fall deep cleaning and decorate with me video in a series of 4 videos. I did a little bit of decorating in the kitchen, but now I'm going to finish that with these curtains and then some decor that you'll see later on in the video.
We've had our separate time. We've had our wrongs, our rights.
Leave a comment and let me know if you have started decorating for fall yet. If you have not, when do you typically start? If you do not decorate for fall, what's your favorite holiday for which to decorate? So friends, I have been holding out on you. I bought this platter about a month and a half ago at Michael's. I didn't want to decorate the kitchen fully for fall when I started, so this is one of the pieces that I held on to. As you can see, I'm moving our fruits and vegetables, well, really just fruit right there. I'm moving that from the fruit basket to this new platter, and what I like about that is that it really opened up the kitchen a lot by not having that tall centerpiece right in the middle of the island. I'm back over here cleaning because I missed a spot, like the whole entire top of the stove I missed, so that's what I'm taking care of right now. This stand is another item that I purchased during my Michael's haul. I'm going to be placing some other home decor items on top of it so that I can elevate them off the countertop. This glass pumpkin is one of my favorite pieces that I purchased at Michael's. I'm really into glass pumpkins these last 2 or 3 years. In fact, I bought about 5 or 6 more at home a week ago or so. I'm going to be placing those in another room that I have not yet decorated yet for this fall season.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And if the fall down is painful, I'm me to blame. But there's something about you, there's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
Despite the fact that this is a quick after dinner cleaning, I do clean the floor in the kitchen because it is a high traffic area that gets pretty dirty, and as a matter of fact, when I'm done mopping, I'll show you how brown the water is.
Just to feel the thrill, there's something about you, there's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
Cleaning all 3 rooms and then adding a little bit of decor to the kitchen took about an hour and 15 minutes total. I did this cleaning while my husband and our youngest were out at a meeting, and I wanted to get as much done as possible before they came back home. Mission accomplished. And just like that, I'm all done.
But there's something about you, there's something keep pulling me to you. There's something to you, no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go, no.
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I did a quick tidying of some areas in my house. If you'd like to see this kind of content in the future and you're not already subscribed, please consider clicking the subscribe button. If you do, click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.